Hi guys, so right before I wanted to start my video, the gardeners have started doing the lawn outside. I ordered these from Thursday Cottage and I will list all the information in the description box. So I make pancakes almost every day. I do bake cakes as well, and just generally toast. We can eat toast throughout the day. One of my daughters absolutely loves jam. We all like jam. I like marmalade as well. I hope to do a video where I show like how I sort of eat jam and marmalade, especially with this purchase. So I'm just gonna open the box. Right, so you can see Tiptree. Now, Tiptree is the company which Thursday Cottage are listed under for ordering online. So that's why you could see their name. Look at this. See the honeycomb. Wow. So handmade. Well, not this one. I can't wait to try them. Now it's going to be a bit tricky me doing a video on this because I've ordered quite a bit, but we do get through the jam so quickly, and I don't want to open them all at once because they're handmade. You know, I just want to enjoy all of that natural goodness of them, so just want to open them like one or two at a time. I'll I'll open the small one next. I don't know what that is. Probably the chocolate spread. So they have a lot more. Sorry, I just got a message. I'll have a lot more products on their website, of course. There were two that I really wanted. They were out of stock, but then I listed my email address to get a notification when they're back in stock, and they are actually back in stock. So those two will go on my next order. I think they were the salted caramel spread and probably the black currant jam. Yep, so this is the one I got instead. As you can see, this is the reduced sugar, and this is this is blackberry and apple. All right, I don't know which I got to replace the blackcurrant. Yeah, so they have different ranges. So they have the reduced sugar, they have organic, and then they have just the normal jams, and obviously they do jellies, and then they do marmalades. They do other things as well. Yeah. So rather than just tasting them, I actually have a recipe in mind I want to do with these, or one or two of them. So this is the organic plum jam, a Victoria plum jam, that is. Yeah, the organic damson jam. Now this got me really excited because I love marmalade, although I'm only accustomed to one type of marmalade, so I can't wait to try this because I do like and eat grapefruit a lot, and I love ginger too. So grapefruit and stem ginger, it's a medium cut. I like medium or even the bigger one. I don't, how would they describe that? The chunky cut or the large cut. So that's the organic orange marmalade with mandarin. the organic strawberry jam, the apricot jam, blueberry jam, organic raspberry jam. In our home, this is the ultimate because we like tart stuff. Yeah. And so you can see the trademark TC. The lids are not sealed. They have the, I don't know what this is called. You know, the nub. It's the nub. So when you do turn it, I can already tell because you can see the indentations. I'll open the raspberry jam. When I saw the packaging, I was really happy. So Tiptree have done a good job, and I ordered this on a Monday. Today is Saturday. It came around 9 o'clock, 9:30. I did get all the notifications they told me about. So I got an email yesterday saying it's coming today, and they said I'd get the hour slot, hour notification, something like that. So it tells you it'll come between 9 and 10, and it did. And the delivery was good. The driver made sure that I received it and everything. What else? I just think this, for me, I don't think I'll be buying jam or marmalade in the supermarkets anymore, because it cannot get any better than handmade. They do it in small batches, so it's absolutely as fresh as it can be, and they deliver 7 to 10 days, which I really like that, because it just tells you that, you know, it's super fresh, almost like custom made. I'm not saying it is, I'm just saying. So the other thing is just the way it is. I'm so happy because already I have 2 people I'll be giving a gift to of this. My daughter's teacher is a keen baker, and she has a very sweet tooth, obviously. I have to give her this for a gift, absolutely so. And I can think of somebody else, but for us, we are going to be ordering this all the time now. I'll also want to try the other things that they have, but the things I ordered here today, these are going to be like my basic, my staple orders. Really good. I haven't tried them yet, obviously, but I just feel, let me open this one and have a little taste. Okay, so I'm just trying for you to hear the click. I hope you heard that. So that was the tub thing I was talking about. I brought this to open the box, but it didn't need to because it has all these latches, the box, so it isn't even sealed, which I really like that as well. Tape can be so annoying because sometimes when you have a pretty box, you just want to keep it for use. So I really like that it didn't require a knife or scissor. Oh, I can see the seeds. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, I'm not going to turn annoying. Please try it. Really nice. So my daughter's going to wake up happy because I intentionally didn't get jam because I wanted her to crave it. So if I hadn't had jam for, I think, about 3 days. Oh, I forgot to talk about the most important thing. This jam surprised me for it being handmade and, you know, some of them being organic. They cost the same because I buy usually, you know, the higher range jam in the supermarket. So they cost, some of them even cost less. The jams are usually, I think they were about £2.65. The honey was about £6. The chocolate spread probably about £4. Everything is as you would expect from a supermarket, but even less, I would say. That was totally surprising to me, really. And I think that is actually, apart from obviously the quality of it, but just the pricing, this is not even about supporting small businesses, but it just, to me, it doesn't make sense to buy supermarket jam now. Really, it doesn't. Yeah, so the pricing will absolutely blow you away. I am so happy about that honey as well. Really like it. So yeah, that's it. I'll list the description, the details. You can find them on Instagram. That's Thursday Cottage. Tiptree are on Instagram too, and YouTube. But Thursday Cottage, just very nice and humble as well company. I really like it. I've been viewing a few of their videos. I like their pictures up on Instagram, so have a look. And yeah, the delivery fee was £3, I believe. Or was it free? No, I think this delivery was free. Well, depending on the order total. I think my entire order total was about £36 something, so just under 37. If it wasn't free, it was £3. I'm sorry, I do order a few things at the same time. So yeah, either £3 or it was free. So that's it. What I was mentioning about the packaging not being, yeah, so it was so well done. Yeah, very intricately done, very secure, because it absolutely looked like it was sealed, but it wasn't. Sealed with glue or tape, it wasn't. Okay, thank you. Have a good weekend. Bye.